Gusto niyo ba magkaroon ng lifted and rounder glutes? For today's video, share ko sa inyo ilang exercises, beginner-friendly, na pwedeng-pwede niyong gawin kahit nasa bahay lang. Gagamit tayo ng resistance band para mas matarget natin ang ating glute muscles and for more tension. So, huwag kayong mag-alala kahit wala kayo resistance band, pwede itong gawin ng body weight lang. Pero mas maganda kung meron kayo resistance band for more tension. Kunan lahat ng weight from your heels, stretch out ang hip band, and then squeeze your glutes at the top. Again, hold for 2 seconds. Gawin nyo to ng 15 repetitions. Next natin, after that, ang ating hip abduction. Stretch out ang hip band. Gawin nyo to 20 repetitions or up to failure. Next natin, ang ating froggy glute bridge. Pagdikitin ang inyong dalawang paa. And then go up. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Again, hindi na mag-rest ang inyong hips sa floor. Do this for 15 repetitions. And next natin, ang ating single leg glute bridge. Again, kunin lahat ng weight from your heels. Stretch out ang hip band. Gawin nyo to ng 15 repetitions ng magkabilaan ng 3 beses.